Hi, and welcome back to Hook Eat Up. With Cinco de Mayo right around the corner, I'm going with a Mexican favorite, tacos. I'm going to be making shrimp tacos with mango salsa. Now I want to know what your favorite taco filling is by leaving it right in the comments below. I want to see what your ideas are, where I should go next with my next taco dish. Let me know what you think, and I'm going to give it a try. Now let's get on to the recipe. So for this recipe, you're going to need the following ingredients. You're going to need corn tortillas, already made, or if you can make your own, even better. A ripe avocado, 12 large shrimp, already peeled and deveined, 1 radish, 1 lime, and mango salsa. Now if you don't have a recipe for mango salsa, I did a video on mango salsa, and the link should be somewhere around here, and I'll also post a link for the video at the end of the video. So I'm going to get started on these tacos, but the first thing I'm going to work on are the fixings that are going to be going into the taco, and I'm just going to get those ready in advance because the shrimp is going to cook really quick. First up, my avocado. I cut the ends of my avocados just to make it easier to peel them. Cut these into 8, so first in half, and those halves in half. Get some nice thin slices. So next I'm gonna get my radish ready. Break out the mandolin. I'm gonna set it to the thinnest setting, and this is really just for garnishing. I'm just gonna cut off the end here. Cut a few slices. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're all set with that. See how pretty these are? They're nice and thin, red ring, they look really nice. Now that we got the fixings ready, I'm gonna just set this off to the side and get going on the shrimp. So I already have my shrimp pre-seasoned, and what I seasoned it with is paprika, cumin, chili paste, and salt and pepper. First in, some olive oil. And let that get nice and hot. What I'm gonna also do is get my other burners going, just so I can show you a cool trick that I use to heat my tortillas. So now that the oil is hot, in goes the shrimp. Spread that out and they cook. I'm gonna have them cooking on each side for about 2 minutes a side, and that should be good enough. Now as that's going, bringing out my tortillas here. I'm going to be making 4 tacos. So you're going to want to use 8 tortillas. So I put them directly on the grill, directly on the fire. And what I'm looking for is for them to start bubbling up and getting all floaty-like, which is just a little brown on the side. Now these shrimps are almost ready. You can see they're almost cooked through. And they just need a minute more, and you're done. Do the flip. And I really love making tacos because it's such an easy dish to prepare. And so filling like that. Okay, you can turn off the heat. Let the pan do the rest from here. Now that the shrimps are done, I'm all ready to get it plated. Got my tortillas there. Got my shrimp. This is the best part of cooking. Yeah, eating this bad boy. Okay, so I'm using a longer plate because I'm going to be making 4 tacos. Let's get it going. So to plate this, I'm putting 2 tortillas down. And I'm putting about 3 shrimp per taco. Now you want to use 2 tortillas because if you just use 1, it's most likely going to break. So wrapping them up in double gives the taco a little more sturdiness to it. Next in is the avocado slices. I'm putting 2 per taco. Then we're gonna grab some of this salsa and we give it a stir. Some nice big spoonful of the mango salsa. Now we're just gonna use these radishes as garnish. Some people eat them. It adds a little bit of a crunch. I'm just gonna set them around the plate here. So. Same with the limes. Kind of scatter them about. Just to top this with a little bit of salt and a little pepper. Now what else to go with your tacos other than the margarita? I already have a margarita pre-made, but if you want the recipe for that, you can just click this link here or wait for the video at the end. And there you have it, shrimp tacos with mango salsa. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have, please be sure to subscribe. And if you haven't already left a comment about what your favorite taco filling is, now's the time. I want to know what you like to put in your tacos, so I have a future idea of what I should be doing with mine. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for joining me at Hook Eat Up. Take care.